What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, and Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with this bullish content. Tonic is absolutely gonna ascend. Can you feel the bullish momentum? Can you feel the bears literally dying off one beer at a time? We are kicking the beers in the nuts, guys. We are sending the beers back into hibernation. It is the bull cycle. It is the start of the bull cycle. What could hold us back now? I have no idea what could hold us back now, Tonic fam. We were sitting at under $9 million in market cap, just under 10 million. Now we're at 22 million, and the floor is so strong for Tonic. So very strong for Tonic, guys. We're gonna go into any news and updates. I also found something that is very interesting for you guys that we're gonna break down in this video that will make you life-changing wealth with Tonic and crypto in general, right? If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you hold Tonic, Crow, VVS Finance. Like the video, subscribe. Let's get this out to the algorithm. Remember, the more we spread these videos around, the more we share these videos, the more people can learn about Tonic and the rest of the great Crow projects and see their future change with true financial freedom. Okay, so check out my Tonic playlist as well, and my Tonic shorts. The shorts are doing very well, so check out all these videos, guys. And when we're taking a look at Tonic, guys, 30,250 people on the watch list to date. Remember when this was at 29,500 people? Now it's at above 30,250 people, and that number just keeps growing. The wallet addresses for Tonic just keep growing. Everything for Tonic, the price, what a lot of y'all are, most amped about, it just keeps growing. Okay, so we are up 2%, 1.66% on the 24-hour, $22.439 million in market cap, 261k in 24-hour trade volume, down 81% now because Bitcoin has been going through its correction, so it is taking a toll on the Tonic price, or else we would have been continuing up further, right? But if we take a look at the 1 month for Tonic, look at this chart, man. You see with your own eyes just how bullish this chart is. After we made this move, we have not come down, and we're just holding so strong. I really do believe Tonic is just waiting for Bitcoin and the rest of the market to continue up further. We're going into the weekend now, and you guys know on the weekend the stock market closes, right? There's no trading of stocks on the weekend, so that also kind of lags Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto markets as well. So when the next couple of days or so, we're gonna be just probably going sideways in a crabbish trend, and when Monday happens and the market opens, that's more than likely when we either continue up further or we have more retrace. My likely bet is that we continue up further going into Monday, right? Tonic, again, guys, on the Cronos ecosystem, everyone that signs up to crypto.com, they're gonna see Tonic and see how well it's performing, and they're gonna ape in. They're gonna be a degen and get into the project. It's just logical thinking. Remember, crypto is all about psychological thinking. So all around looking great for Tonic today, guys. We have a tweet right here from crypto jigs. Top projects by performance in the last month, and if we see the breakdown, Tonic is right up there. The last month, best performing projects in the last month, guys. How many crypto assets are there? 22,331 crypto assets, and in the last month we have Tonic super high up on the chart. 25.15 million dollars in market cap, my apologies, up 129.2%. Tonic fam, you can't deny this fact, how great Tonic is performing with the rest of the markets, right? And it's up there next to Mana, Decentraland, big projects like Decentraland, Aptos. This is a $1 billion market cap project, 1.25 billion. All the hedge funds and VCs are in Aptos, right? Serum, another big project. Radium used to be a part of well, it still is a part of the Solana ecosystem, but you know that took a hit because of Sam Bankman-Fried. Ajax, I saw a lot of top YouTubers, content creators that talked about Ajax, up to $250 million in market cap. Look at the range Tonic has to go, right? And this is just maybe the start of the bull market. Look at the range Tonic has to go to catch up to these market caps that we see here. 269 million, 250 million. And we can't rule out that Tonic gets to multi-billions as well. Because the top projects that are already at billions, they'll go to 50, hundreds of billions, you know, 50 billion, 100 billion. Tonic could itch its way up there to a billion, 2, 3. You just never know, guys. This is how crypto is. It's super unpredictable, and you know, it always shocks everyone. Just like the last cycle. Last cycle was one of the biggest cycles because of I would think the stimulus checks, right? Stimulus checks and all the liquidity that got added to the market was one of which made it the last cycle one of the biggest cycles, right? This is why I'm gonna go into a chart and go into something for you guys in this video. So if you're still watching, you're gonna get it at the end of the video. All right. So yeah, guys, don't rule out the potential that Tonic has for the future. The amount of gains you could potentially get with Tonic, because it's such a smaller market cap. It has so much more upside. So much more upside. Even at 25 mil market cap, 22 million right now, it still has a lot of potential in the future. From blockchain apes, spring loaded, Crow. Crow is moving up. The spring is loaded. You know, when Crow moves up, guess what moves up with Crow? Tectonic, Tonic fam, Crow fam. Hey, I'm super happy, guys, because it really does feel like the bull run, the bull market has begun. It really feels like that, you know. And even if you just have a small investment, $300, $500, $1,000 in a Tonic or whatever project that you believe is gonna be a banger, that's still gonna make you crazy gains in the future, right? That's just how crypto is. 10x's, 50x's, 100x's. I'd be happy for that, right? If it does feel like this is the start of the bull market. So spring is definitely loaded. From Honest LA, not so bad for a month increase. Literally was looking at the 1 month earlier, guys. Look at the 1 month increase for Tonic. Look at this chart. It's beautiful. You know, it's like a Latina bonita, bella. That's how beautiful this Tonic chart is. It's holding the floor so well. It moved to the upside, had a bit of a retrace, and continued up, and it's still holding. So stock market is closing over the weekend. What day we at right now? Friday. Saturday, Sunday, stock market is closed. Expect some crabbish trend, sideways trend. Monday, stock market opens. I expect moves to the upside to continue. Zegomatic.crow is Tectonic fire about to explode once again next week with an insane bull run. Are you ready, Crow fam? Literally next week when the market opens, you don't hold this type of accumulation. You don't make moves like up like this and then hold this type of accumulation and not expect another move up, right? It could obviously break down, but there's no news for it to break down. There's no bad news in the markets for the markets to come back down, guys. You know, everyone was speculating that Binance would fall. If Binance fell, that would have been the reason to get us down to 10k, 12k Bitcoin, which also in turn affects the rest of all the altcoins, Tonic included. Binance is still here, staying strong. There's no bad news. All we're gonna see is short-term corrections. Now, if a black swan does happen, if we do see a black swan, something does happen, guys, then you could be like, okay, expect Tonic to retrace. But there's nothing. There's no bad news happening right now, so I expect moves further to the upside going into next week. The continuation of this bull pattern, this bull run that we're seeing for Tonic. Shout out to Zegomatic. Me like and retweet. Make sure I follow all these Tonic holders as well. Like and retweet, you know. We got to get out there, man. We got to get out there, guys, you know. And finally, the little secret that I wanted to bring up for you guys that will make you life-changing gains and financial freedom in the future. It is called disinflation. I found this chart always doing my research on the broader markets because they're super correlated to crypto assets, right? So I found this chart from Seth Golden. Shout out to Seth Golden. Disinflation. Inflation is high and falling. 19 episodes over the past 100 years. Only one instance did the XPS give negative real return in a disinflation episode. In 13 instances, the real return is 10% or more. On average, across all 19 episodes, real annualized return plus 14%. The SPY and the DIA, right? Over the past 100 years, we've never seen anything like this. The Fed has raised interest rates way too high and too fast. This is what's going to trigger disinflation. And when disinflation happens, the DXY is absolutely gonna plummet. Everyone is gonna be saying, is this the end of the dollar as we know it, the US dollar? That's what most people are gonna be saying when disinflation takes place. If that happens, remember how I talked about how Bitcoin is correlated to the DXY, how the S&P 500 is correlated to the DXY. When the DXY plummets, the S&P, Bitcoin, the rest of the market, Tonic, goes up. With disinflation being triggered, guys, expect Tonic to go to crazy levels in the future. We have the chart right here. 1935 to 1936 up 41%. 1951 to 1953 up 44%. This is the disinflation chart. So since the Fed raised rates so high, expect us to go to maybe some even higher numbers, maybe back up to this 44%, maybe even 50 to 60% on the disinflation chart, right? So it's gonna be absolutely insane, guys. I'm smiling ear to ear just thinking about how parabolic crypto is going to go in the future, how parabolic Tonic is going to go in the future with the implication of disinflation taking place. Tonic fam, Crow fam, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Nothing but value on this channel, and you know, I put in a lot of work, so I do appreciate it if you guys could truly support these videos. Like, subscribe, share, let other people know about these videos, share it to the rest of the Tonic fam on Twitter. It really helps out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, if this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.